just left with peace. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'll tell you the truth. The memories you left.
Good morning, dolls. Welcome to the dollhouse. My name is Caitlin. Oh my gosh. Anyways, good morning. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to go ahead and hit that red button down below and subscribe. And I know you guys are like, Caitlin, what on earth is going on? I just woke up and today I decided to spend $1,000 glow up transformation. So yeah, if you guys are interested, stay tuned to the video. I am in the bathroom now and I will be brushing my teeth. This is the toothbrush I will be using, and the toothpaste of my choice that I use every day is the Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. My face, I use the Soap and Glory, and this is their Peaches and Clean, their deep cleansing milk. And I will take my spin brush from Walmart. I went out to Ulta and I got some Makeup Revolution palettes. I think the look I'm going for today will be a dramatic cut crease with a little bit of glitter. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. This back and forth between this orange and this brown for my transition color. Ooh, she's looking good already. Going in with this palette and probably this shade. Now I'll be placing it right on the concealer. So really quick before I go off camera and put my lashes on, the lashes today that I will be wearing are my A. Marie lashes. These are from my lash company, so I will leave everything down below where you can purchase. They are $8, and these are the Style Unicorn Vibes. Okay, so here is the fun part, and that is picking out an outfit. My order from Fashion Nova did come today, and I just went ahead and hung them up. So the outfit I think I'm going to wear today is this Fashion Nova two-piece, and this is the Gypsy rib set. So I'm going to go ahead and change into that, and I will be right back.
You never leave my side.